Now, in the step 4, we will confirm the order. Okay. So, and this is the job of a shop floor worker. We are working. Now we'll go for the okay, now what had happened in the meanwhile, we released the order and the maintenance team has gone and they worked on that problem, and the problem is solved. They did the replacement of the filter, and they did the testing. Functional testing is done, so everything is done. So 2 hours and 15 minutes, the work is done. Now is the time that we have to go for the overall completion confirmation. Okay, so this will be used to capture data beside working time. Okay, so use the material, information about the error, executed work, and so on. So all this information will be entered. So let's go. And this is important, for future maintenance history and analysis. So this data is very important that we are going to enter. So we'll do the overall completion confirmation now. So let's go to the logistics, plant maintenance, processing, completion. Okay, let's see. So I can go back to logistics, plant maintenance, processing, and now we'll go for the completion confirmation. I'll go for the completion, confirmation, and entry. Completion, confirmation, entry, and is it overall completion? And overall completion. So I'll go for the overall completion like that. Now let's press enter. So I'm on this part. Now is the time for the overall completion. I will tell my system that how we can do that. Okay, first of all, this overall completion will not only confirm you to enter the time, but it will also relevant detail for an order in a single screen. So all the requirement will be done on this part. So we'll go for the extra setting and press 1, extra settings, and then we will press 1, and then we'll save. So this profile will be saved as a 1, and that is done. Now we'll enter the operation. So 0010 was the operation. That was done, and we will press enter to confirm the entry. And you will see that we have the item here, or operation number comes in here. Now we'll enter the time. Okay. So time confirmation, goods movement, and causes are entered automatically here. So in the actual field, what was the cause? And then this material is entered automatically. You see that? Material required, goods movement, time confirmation, and causes are entered automatically. So so we'll enter 2 hours in the actual work, 2 hours. Okay. And then we will enter, we'll say final confirmation. This is my final confirmation. Okay, I'll click on that. Oops. This is my final confirmation. And this is, okay. So this is my final confirmation. And then we have no more work remaining, no remaining work. So I will click on that. And that's it. So what we'll do is we'll save and we'll continue. So I'll just save. So this task is done. Okay, successfully saved. Very good. And now I can click OK. I'll continue with the second task, 0020. Okay. And if I say 0020, and then I will be entering the same time, okay, actual time which happened. So actual time was 15 minutes. The plan was 15 minutes, and this is final confirmation, and no remaining task left. And since there was no material in this one, so there is no material at this point in time. And that's it. So now you will see that. So both operations were confirmed. This means that you have finished your work. The operation get the partial confirmation. or rather change the status finally confirmed. So let's see, and you have met the target, by the way. Let's go and see. Let's go and save. Okay, save, and then you have saved your confirmation, and we'll exit from here. We will exit from here. And so your status should be changed to, now is the time for step 5.